In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add VAT details to an organization in Xero. 5 minutes. We'll walk through where to find the right settings in Xero and how to fill them in so your VAT information appears correctly on invoices and in reports. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Xero login page. Click Login, then enter your email and password. If you use two-step authentication, complete that as well, and click Login again to continue. Once you're signed in, make sure you're in the correct organization. You'll land on the Xero dashboard. From the dashboard, go to the top menu and select Accounting. In the drop-down that appears, choose Advanced. This is where Xero keeps the deeper configuration options that affect how your organization behaves. Next, click Financial Settings. This page controls key accounting preferences, including your sales tax setup, which is where VAT lives in Xero. Scroll to the sales tax section. First, choose your tax basis for sales tax reporting. This determines when VAT is recognized in your accounts. Cash basis means VAT is reported when money changes hands. Accrual or invoice basis means VAT is reported when invoices are issued or bills are received. Pick the option that matches your tax registration and how you're required to report. Now enter your tax ID number and the tax ID display name. The tax ID is typically your VAT registration number. The display name is exactly how you want this number to appear on invoices and statements. Use the correct format for your country, including any prefixes or spacing, and double check for typos. This will be visible to customers and tax authorities. Next, select the tax period you use for sales tax reporting, such as monthly, quarterly, or as required by your local rules. If you're unsure, check your VAT registration documents or your latest correspondence from the tax authority. Keep in mind that this setting drives how Xero groups transactions into returns, so it's important to get it right. When everything looks correct, scroll down and click Save. Xero will apply these settings to your future transactions and your VAT reports. If you've been entering transactions already, you may want to review your next return to ensure everything aligns with your chosen basis and period. A couple of quick tips. You'll need the right user permissions to access financial settings, typically an advisor role or a standard user with permission to manage organization settings. Also, if you run multiple organizations in Xero, repeat these steps for each one so their VAT details are accurate. That's it. Your organization's VAT details are now properly set up in Xero.